Jesus and Mary. Amen, I say to you, no prophet is accepted in his own native place. Brothers and sisters, in our experience as a human person, no? Siguro kitang tanan, including myself, we all have the experience to be accepted and to be refused. Di ba? Lalo na, no? I remember, no? Kapag ikaw ay naghahanap ng trabaho, no? Kung ikaw ay mag-a-apply, no? May mga, no? Accepted ka, no? I remember when nag-OJT kami, no? Na accepted kami. Yung iba, they refuse you, no? Of course, no? Siguro para sa kanila konti pa yung iyong requirements, no? But acceptance and refusal are both in contrast with each other, no? Of course, saan ka masaya kapag ikaw ni-refuse o kung ikaw ay gi-accept? Of course, no? You are happy when you are accepted and you are sad when you are refused. Di ba? In the spiritual life, the same thing, but with a difference. Ayan, may pagkakaiba, no? And what is that? Between God and man. No? You know, kitang mga tao, we as man, no? We have this action of acceptance and refusal. Di ba? Accepted ka, no? Kapag ikaw ay magaling, matalino, no? Refuse ka kung ikaw ay bobo o gano'n. No? Kaya nga 'di ba, sa mga magkakaibigan, magkakabarkada, no? Lalo na sa eskwela, no? Maraming mga kabataan, no? Yung tinatawag na peer pressure. No? Alam niyo yung peer pressure? No? Yung being accepted to the group, no? Kaya yung mga no, ewan ko lang dito sa Pilipinas, pero mostly, no, sa ibang bansa, no, sa US, sa Europe, no, yung malakas yung peer pressure. And then recently rin, no, na napanood ko sa Nightfall dun sa Facebook, no, na pati rin mga South Korean, no, yung mga iniidolo nating mga K-pop, no? Alam nyo ba na sila, no? Those, of course, hindi naman siguro tanan, no? But most of them, no, are very conscious to be accepted by others. Kaya nga, no, magaling silang maglagay ng mga make-up, no, yung mga ng buhok, no, na ginagaya ng maraming mga Pilipino sa atin, no? Sa mga Korean drama, Korean no? See? Because they are really very aware, no? And they want to be accepted, not only within their family, their community, but with the society. No? And sabi nga dun sa video, there's nothing wrong with that. But the problem is, man tend to refuse. Diba? Whether you like it or not, no? Sa 100 tao, kahit sa 10 tao na makilala mo, sa 10 tao, meron pa ring 5 o 2 na magre-refuse sa iyo. Pag tinanong mo, bakit? Why? Bakit? Bakit ba? No? Why? They refuse me. They reject me. The answer, you do not know. Because something you have that they don't like. See? That is man. Ining mga tao. No? And whether you like it or not, even Jesus, no? In the gospel today, man refused him. No? Tinanong pa siya, sino ba yan? No? Di ba yan yung anak ni Jose? See? Question, ano bang ginawang masama ni Lord? Nothing. Wala mang ginawa si Jesus. But these people in the gospel, they do not accept Him. On the contrary, they try to refuse Him. They refuse Him. No? And they try something bad, no? At the end, di ba? Kung naririnig nyo, no? They rose up, drove Him in the town, no? To hurl Him down headlong. Gusto nilang patayin si Lord. No? For what? For what reason? Gusto nilang patayin si Lord? Because they do not accept Him. No? Kaya yan yung mga tao. No? Whatever you do, whether kahit na magpakamatay ka niya dyan sa pagkatulong, pagtabang, pagtulong, no? There's still person who will say, I don't like you. I refuse you. See? No matter how great your effort may be, man will still refuse you. Alalahanin niya, this is the reality. No? And this we must, no? Kailangan itudlo natin sa mga batanon, no? Sa ating mga anak-anak, no? Do good no matter others don't like you. No? Sana ito yung reality na iano natin sa kanila. No? Kasi alam niyo maraming mga kabataan, no? They are also tawag dito, nangyari na nagpapakamatay yung mga kabataan. Why? Because they are not accepted. No? Lalong-lalo na yung mga may kapansanan, may mga defect, no? Nalala ko yung isang magandang video sa Facebook, no? Yung, ano bang tawag sa sakit na yun, yung nagbabubble ba? Yung I love you, good morning, no? So one time, no? Sa principal, no? Yung ano, ayun palang ano, hindi pala, excuse me, yung palang may sakit na, bigla na lang, mga ganun ba? No? So habang nagsasalita yung teacher, itong bata, no? Hindi niya mapigilan yung kanyang sakit, no? No? So, no? Nakita napansin nung principal, no? Then yung mga bata, syempre, ma-distract man sila sa school dahil dun sa sa sakit ng bata. But you know, the principal did something great. Anong ginawa ng principal? During sa parang commencement, no? Tinawag niya yung bata. Sabi niya, boy, halika rito. No? Anong pangalan mo? Ako po anong sakit meron ka? No? Tapos ito po ang sakit ko, sir. Sabi niya. Tapos sabi ng principal, kayo ba? Ki-reject niyo ba itong boy dahil may sakit siya? Sabi niya, no? At the same time, sabi ng principal, no? Hindi niyo ba alam na itong batang ito, kahit na may sakit siyang ganyan, no? He tries to learn, no? We must support him instead of rejecting him. Sabi niya, accept him for who he really is, no? And at the end, no? Nagpalakpakan yung mga bata, no? Sana lahat bata, no? Learn to accept the defects and the imperfection of others, no? Napakaganda yung istorya, no? And that is the reality, no? Whether you like it or not, person will refuse you. They might refuse you dahil hindi ka Bisaya, dahil hindi ka taga Bukidnon, hindi ka taga Manolo, hindi ka taga Mindanao, Tagalog ka, hindi ka taga Bicol, no? Dili ka kasabot sa kanilang gisulti, no? Di ka balo ang kanilang homily. They will refuse you for many things, no? But what matters is you continue. Because there's one person, di pa tayo tapos. There's one person who never refuse. Kinsa man yun? God. God is the only person in the world who do not refuse, who will accept you for who you really are. Kaya nga alam nyo, brothers and sisters, when you have this, how do you call it, depression, no? Kapag meron kang tawag dito, problem na bakit gano'n, no? No, minsan may lumapit sa akin, Father, no? Ako na nga ganito, ako na gumagawa ng ganito, no? Tapos imamarites pa ako nila ng mga tao. Alam nyo, sabi ko sa kanya, sis, brother, no? Kanino mo pa ginagawa yung ginagawa mo? To whom you are doing those things? To God, of course. So do it for God. No? Huwag mo nang pansinin, no? Kasi sa buong mundo, kahit na si Lord ni-refuse, gumagawa na ng mabuti, ikaw pa kaya? Don't pretend that all will accept you. No. What you must do is to do all you have to be accepted by Him. Gawin mo ang lahat para sa Diyos, huwag sa tao, brothers. Kasi kung gagawin mo lang yan, para kay father, kay sister, kay brother, kay mother, kay barangay captain, kay mayor, kahit anong ganda mong ginawa yan, pipintasan at pipintasan ka. Kahit ano pang gawa mo dyan, may mga tao pa rin magiging masama ka sa paningin nila. No? So don't rely on them to be accepted by, but go to God. Do it for God, and you will see miracles. And time will come, no? Katulad ng mga magagaling na scientists at mga tao sa mundo, no? See? Yung mga tao, yung mga magagaling na musician, no? They were all rejected at the beginning. And nung namatay sila, what happened to those people? They were famous, no? Steve Jobs, for example, the Beatles, no? The other, I don't know, saint, no? Now, kita mo, may mga estatwa sila, no? May mga pictures sila sa kahit anong lugar. Pag sinabing, oy, si Saint Mantis Francis, no? Oy, si Steve Jobs, oy, si no? Their names are written on the history of the world. But this person who was written there, in their life, they experienced refusal. They were rejected. No, naalala ko yung istorya ng The Beatles, no? They were rejected. No? Sabi nung mga tawag dito, sabi nung kanilang yung sa music company, walang tatanggap sa inyo, ang papangit ng kanta nyo, no? Pero si John Lennon, Paul McCartney, no, they continue, no? They still search, no? Until they were discovered. And see, no? Yung tinatawag na Fab Four, no? The same thing with those great person, no? On earth. They will all rejected. But, no? They do not stop there. Hindi sila tumigil doon, no? They continue and continue until they reach the success. No? But for us, we do not need success. What we need is to become holy. What we need is to go to heaven. Just like our saint today, no? Pinatay sila, no? They were killed, they were martyred, and yet, no? Right now, they are in heaven. And we are remembering them in this liturgy today. No? They were rejected, kaya nga sila pinatay. But see, because they do it for God, gibuhat nila yon para sa Ginoo. Bisaya man kamo, Tagalog man kamo na nakikinig ngayon, no? If you do it for God, no matter man refuse you, God will do great for you. No? Hindi ka man kilalanin ng tao, pag kinilala ka ng Diyos, that what matters most. No? Hindi man maisulat ang pangalan mo, no? Sa mga simbahan o sa ano, no? But if you do it for God, no? If you try to do it wholeheartedly for God, kahit maliliit lang, kahit yung maglagay ng bulaklak sa simbahan, maglinis sa simbahan, kumanta sa simbahan, sasabihin mo, ay, hindi man ako napapansin ni Father, ay, hindi naman parang binabali, wala naman. No, don't feel like that. Huwag mong isipin yun. No? Ang isipin mo, no? God accept what you did and God will reward you. No? Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, sister, pagandahin mo man ang buong simbahan, lagyan mo pa yan ng kung ano-ano, meron pa rin pipintas sa'yo, whether you like it or not. Kahit gaano pa yung pagpapractice mong kumanta, no? Kahit ano pa yan, na maganda kang magbasa or something, no? Mag-serve sa mass, no? They will still, somebody will say, ay, plastic man yan, ay, ganyan naman yan. No? Meron pa rin magsasabi sa iyo ng may magmamarites sa iyo, no? But don't waste your time. I repeat, don't waste your time to those person who refuse you. But use your time, put time on those who accept you. And one of that is God. Make more time for God. Mag-ampu ka, magsimba ka, so that you will continue to do good no matter men will refuse you. Praise be Jesus and Mary.